Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the item group feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the buying module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage item groups to organize your inventory effectively. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the Items and Pricing tool. This tool allows you to manage various item-related functions, including item groups. Click on the Item Group option to create a new item group. In the item group form, you'll find different fields and sections to fill out. Start by entering a name for the item group. This should be a descriptive name that represents the category or classification of the items. If the item group you're creating falls under a broader category, you can select the parent item group. This helps in organizing and creating a hierarchical structure for your item groups. Once you've filled out the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the item group. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the item group has been created successfully. To assign items to the item group, navigate to the Items tab. In the item list, you can search for the items you want to assign to the item group and check the corresponding checkboxes. After selecting the items, click on the Update button to assign them to the item group. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the items have been assigned to the item group successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the item group feature in the items and pricing subfunction of the buying module. Organize your inventory efficiently with Parsimony's powerful item grouping functionality. Thank you for watching this tutorial.